Welcome to a day in my life at Docking Drawer. We're in Vegas this week for a trade show, so I've got to start my day off with some good coffee. I get my bagel and my Americano, and it's off to the convention center. This trade show is the Kitchen and Bath Industry Show, otherwise known as KBIS, and it's a huge opportunity for us to show off our Docking Drawer products. Today, me, Paul, and Scott had a walk around the trade show until we found something familiar. We found our Docking Drawer outlets in a couple of our awesome partners' booths. This one was from Covered Bridge Cabinetry. This beautiful display is from our friends at Hayfla, and we visited Century Components to find our outlet in their vertical bathroom organizer. After all that walking, it was time for some lunch, and today we're going light because the lines at this place are crazy. After that, we hung out at our Docking Drawer booth for a while because there were a lot of customers to attend to. At one point, we had a good bit of press come by to take some videos of our safety interlock outlet and some other new features with Docking Drawer, which of course we were happy to show off because we love talking about all our new products. And we couldn't end our day without getting some cool shots for TikTok to show off how our drawers work. After that long day, it was time to head back to the hotel and of course celebrate with some good food.